Isn't it helpful to know the rules when you are playing the game? That framework lets us know what we are doing. Buying life insurance is a little like playing a game too. And when a prospect knows the rules around buying life insurance, they can get the best results. Here are 3 statements to make at the beginning of a life insurance sales call that makes the game clearer for the prospect and smoother for you. Number 1, no one needs life insurance. I'll say it again. No one needs life insurance. Now, agents often talk about needing life insurance, and to prospects, it sounds like there is some sort of rule about it, or a mandate. But there isn't. Not anywhere. No family has life insurance because they are obliged to have it. They have it because they want what it can do for them. So, from a client's perspective, life insurance then is a want, not a need. A want, not a need. Write that down. Number 2, you don't have life insurance because of the probability of dying, but instead for the serious family consequences of dying without it. You know, if the chances of you dying are very high, buying life insurance isn't usually much of an option anyway. Number 3, you can't buy life insurance. You can't buy it. You can only apply for it. Now, while money pays for life insurance and its variants, it's only your good health and good character that buys it. You apply, and despite what it may say on an illustration, the only price that counts is the one the insurance company gives you in their offer. These are the rules of buying life insurance. So, if a prospect says they don't need it, or I'm in good shape, and I'm not dying anytime soon, or I don't want to buy any, you can rightly say, you know, we already had that discussion. These 3 simple rules of the life insurance buying game eliminate the most common buying objections, so prospects are more likely to get the family protection they want, and you can be more helpful to them. God bless, and we'll see you again next time.